Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can active dark mode in Twitter. So let's go to Twitter homepage. Here on the left side you can see your profile image. Tap there and here go to setting and privacy. Here you can see display and sound. Just tap there. Now you can see in display night mode. It's off now. You can make it on and night mode will be activated. So that's all guys. Likewise you can activate night mode on Twitter, and there's a shortcut also in your homepage. When you tap your profile image, on the bottom you can see this moon image. You just have to tap on it and you can activate or deactivate your night mode. So that's all guys. Likewise you can activate night mode in Twitter. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.